Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to explore 15 top frequently asked questions to do with Manuka honey. Everything that you need to know to get started using Manuka honey correctly and safely, you will find in this video. Now, before we get started, we do daily videos here on the channel talking about health and wellness tips and tricks, recipes, and proven strategies to help maintain your wellness. If you're interested in these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Starting with, what is Manuka honey? Now, Manuka honey is a type of honey that is produced by bees that pollinate the Manuka bush, primarily found in areas such as New Zealand and specific parts of Australia. It is known for its unique properties, including its high levels of antibacterial compounds like MGO, which actually does contribute to its therapeutic benefits. The second question is, what makes Manuka honey different from regular honey? Now, there are key differences that lies in its antibacterial properties, and Manuka honey does contain high levels of MGO, and it also contains other bioactive compounds which actually help to set it apart from regular honey. Now, these properties contribute to its potential health and skincare benefits. The third question is, what does the unique Manuka factor, the UMF rating, what does that mean? So the UMF rating is a measure of the antibacterial potency of Manuka honey. A higher UMF indicates greater antibacterial activity. Ratings typically range from between 5 to 20 plus, with higher numbers associated with more potent honey. How can we identify genuine Manuka honey? The key here is to always look for reputable brands and certifications. Genuine Manuka honey is often certified by organizations like UMF Honey Association. You can also check the UMF rating on the label and ensure that the honey is sourced from either New Zealand or Australia. Now, what are the health benefits of consuming Manuka honey? Manuka honey is believed to have so many wonderful, amazing health benefits, including immune system support, digestive health, and wound healing. It also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Now, can Manuka honey help with wound healing? Absolutely. Manuka has been used for centuries for its wound healing properties. Its antibacterial activity may help to prevent infection, and its natural enzymes contribute to tissue repair. So is Manuka honey safe for diabetics? Now, while Manuka honey does have a lower glycemic index that is much more better than refined sugars, people with diabetes should always monitor their blood sugar levels when they consume Manuka honey. And it's always advisable to consult with your healthcare professional for more personalized, individualized results and suggestions. So, can Manuka honey be consumed by pregnant women? Can pregnant women actually consume Manuka honey? Generally, pregnant women can consume Manuka honey, but in moderation. However, if you are unsure, then just ask your healthcare provider. They'll be able to give you much more better advice according to your individual health conditions. How can Manuka honey be used for skincare? So Manuka honey can be used as a face mask, as an exfoliating scrub, as a spot treatment for various skin conditions. It is amazing for anyone having sensitive dry skin, and it can also be used by other people with different skin types, and it has wonderful moisturizing and antibacterial properties, which makes it a wonderful, popular natural ingredient for skincare routines. So, are there any side effects of using Manuka honey? So, while Manuka honey is generally safe, there are specific side effects that you need to know about that only occur when you have used it incorrectly or used it in excess amounts, or if you have allergic reactions. Also, if you have digestive discomfort, if there are any skin irritations, this may happen for specific individuals with some conditions that don't work well with Manuka honey, and it's always important to remember to use it in moderation and perform a patch test before using it for topical applications. So, can children consume Manuka honey? Now, children over the age of 1 can typically consume honey, including that other types of honey such as Manuka honey. However, it's always important to first note that they do not have any allergies, and always use it in moderation. So how can you store Manuka honey? Storing Manuka is important to be stored in a cool, dry, dark place. Avoid exposure to direct sunlight, avoid exposure to excessive heat, because what that does is it can degrade its quality. Keep honey in a tightly sealed container at all times. Can I cook with Manuka honey? Absolutely, you can use Manuka honey in cooking and baking. However, note that exposure to high temperatures will reduce its many beneficial properties. So it's always best to add it to recipes that don't involve excessive heat. Maybe add it as an alternative sweetener to some protein bowls, some raw desserts that you make. This would be amazing, and it will still be able to keep its wonderful health properties as well. So can you use Manuka honey for weight loss? So there are many claims that claim that Manuka honey does assist with weight loss. However, to be honest with you, the scientific evidence here is very limited, and it's not a substitute for a balanced diet. It cannot be used as a substitute for exercise, and once you consume it in excess amounts, it does actually contribute to weight gain because of its calorie content and its sugar content as well. The last question is, how often can I use Manuka honey in skincare or hair care? And the answer to that is frequency does depend on your own individual needs. So as a general guidance for skincare, you can use Manuka honey mask once or twice a week. It's important, and consistency is always important as well. So for hair, a monthly treatment is great in that consistency. Use it once a month as a hair treatment. This will really help to provide the nourishment needed for the hair, and it also assists in dry, dehydrated, frizzy hair as well. So if you enjoyed today's video, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.